Nifty awaits Budget 2025 as markets eye Modi 3.0's economic roadmap. Gift Nifty is on the rise. Investors will brace for the Union Budget 2025 to be presented in Parliament at 11 a.m. on Saturday, 1st February 2025, by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Some real fireworks quite likely at Dalal Street if the FM Nirmala Sitharaman is able to prove to the big investors across globe that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's magic is still on. The Union Budget 2025 will be the second full budget of Modi 3.0 and FM Sitharaman's 8th consecutive budget, which is expected to bring a variety of changes such as income tax reforms, an increased focus on agriculture, and balancing between fiscal consolidation and economic growth. The street is expecting a continued push for economic reforms that have seen India emerge as the world's fastest growing major economy. Long story short, we will spy with one big eye if FM Sitharaman's Union Budget 2025 to 26 can be one in a century budget which takes Nifty straight above the 25,500 mark. Meanwhile, our stock markets will remain open for a full day of trading on Budget Day, Saturday, 1st February. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4583 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2166 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating rebound from an oversold conditions on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 17.39 levels. At last check, USD INR was in demand at 86.57. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 1.20 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.98. Nifty outlook, Nifty may trade range-bound ahead of the Union Budget 2025. Nifty, CMP 23250. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,989 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,437 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,100 and 23400. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 49312. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 48,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,700 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,900 and 49700. Bias for the day is neutral. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty gathered some more pace to regain bullish composure as the winning streak continued for third straight day. That said, despite the surge, the unwinding of long positions at Dalal Street is not showing any signs of fatigue, especially from the FII scam. This January so far, FIIs have sold to the tune of Rs 86,186 crores. Buzzing stocks. 1. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today. Sun Pharma, ONGC, Nestle, Vedanta, PNB, Cholamandalam Finance, Marico, IndusInd Bank, UPL, IRB Infra, LIC Housing Finance, Bandhan Bank. 2. Tata Motors results missed streets estimate after reporting a 22% year-on-year drop in consolidated net profit to 5,451 crore rupees for the third quarter of FY25. The automaker's performance was weighed down by weaker margins and subdued Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, volumes. 3. SRF stock price is in limelight and scaling all-time high after its management said that it anticipates agri demand to be good in the ongoing quarter and that will lead to a significant improvement in comparison to the December quarter. The management also said that the product funnel for the chemicals business remains strong. 4. BUL 2 is rebounding after achieving a turnover of 5,643.25 crore rupees, registering a growth of 36.97% during the third quarter of FY 2024-25 over the turnover of 4,120.10 crore rupees recorded in the corresponding period of the previous year.